Okay, here we go. This is just a audition for America's Got Talent doing Trouble by Mosaic, and it's also audition for all other television shows like America's Got Talent is like an audition for like The Voice and American Idol, and just anything else requires a musical audition, like if I was auditioning to like be in the band. Oh wait, hang on a second. Or actually no, we'll keep going, sorry. Peace, all to peace. Storms surrounding me. Let break, aim still. Call the sea to still. Rage in me to still. Rave. Name Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear. Jesus, Jesus. You make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Sorry, it's so close to me. I just want to hear it more than backing track because that's what we want. Breathe on all these lungs to live. Call these lungs to sing once again. I'll praise Jesus, Jesus. You make all darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear. Jesus, Jesus. Make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. Make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. Silence fear. Jesus, Jesus. Make the darkness tremble. Jesus, Jesus. And that's pretty much it because we have a time limit, but want to hear me sing the whole song or want to hear me sing more of it, just let me know and I'll post up a new video, I guess, with me singing the whole song, which is in total 5 minutes and 14 seconds long. You can call it the beginning intro, say if you want to. Anyway, see you there or not, and just wish me luck either way. And I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you enjoy this video either way, even if I'm auditioning for you. Bye. And this is Julie, the contestant, signing off for. That's Julie.